Voices from Kitty's Crack. Hey, you got a cricket on your ass.
You got a what?
You got a cricket on your ass.
Oh, get it off my Well, if you hadn't been able to figure it out yet, that's right. We're back. Hi. Yeah, decided to come out here and out in the woods and try to find some more holes. Yeah. Sound like fun to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we got a lot of potential to be able to find some today.
Oh, yeah.
What do y'all think? Look at this. I mean, wow. Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna go do some, spelunking, cave diving, have some fun, see what we can find, some little critters in here, and hopefully no big critters. So, yeah, let's get this journey started.
You won't pet no little kitty?
No. No kitty cats today. Look, you can look from here and tell that's a hole. Oh, there's another hole. It's another critter hole. You know, I could probably fit down in there. But I mean, you're talking about belly sliding, and I don't know how deep it is or what kind of critter might be in it. Yeah. You know, and I'm already ugly enough. I don't need it to get mauled. I mean, come on. Tell me, is this not a face for radio? Well, here's that one hole that we've already been in. The one with the little valley going in front of it.
Oh, yeah. I found the other one we haven't been in yet.
Over there?
Right down
Ooh.
here.
Let's see what we can look at then. It's not a hole.
No hole.
I'm not having any luck with the holes today.
Just belly button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need one of those more mature holes, you know, one I can actually get into.
This is a little tight hole.
See, that's the ones I don't need. Even though, don't get me wrong, those little tight holes, I like it. But can't exactly fit in there. Okay. And all sexual innuendos out of the way now.
It's just the tip.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
Hate to say it, but for some of us, it's all we can offer. Ooh, I got a good one. Yeah, this is the slide down hole. All right, well. Damn it, my headlamp is in the front.
What's that one commercial where she asked the dude that folded up her parachute if it's, what is it, safe? He just crosses his little fingers. Is that road rage? Is it safe? I ain't heard nothing growling.
Yeah. And the floor is not slithering, so
No.
don't have to worry about an Indiana Jones moment.
No.
All right.
Wasn't there another part of this hole right here too?
Yeah, right up top there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's besides that little edge there, and where it comes in there is almost straight down.
All right, you gonna film me?
already am.
Oh, it's already on?
You're counting now.
Look at my ass. Ha ha.
Ooh, what's that stain?
Huh? It was right in front of the camera. Damn, did I forget the wipe?
Yeah, there you had a little blowout.
Yeah, this just shows you right now. We need to be sponsored by Dude Wipes. All the dumb things you could be doing right now, Kenny.
Could be worse. Big, huh?
It's huge. All right, flashlight, please, if you need.
All right.
Guys down in the hole, yeah, look. There's Rattlesnake J. Well, I know it's hard to see because of the sunlight coming through. Down in a cave, check this out. Pretty cool stuff right here. Oh God, you scared the hell out of me.
There's gonna be some stuff falling.
I was like, oh God, what's coming behind me? I don't know if you just saw me, how fast I just turned, but holy crap. Come on, Emmett.
What's it really looking like down there?
I mean, it don't go too far that way. It gets kind of thin, but you might be able to do a little bit. It looks like it goes to the left some. Yeah. Over here, it gets big.
Really?
I mean, it looks like it keeps going.
Crazy little small formation.
Yeah, look at this right here, though, man. Where the water has been coming down through the sandstone. Look at how it's shining.
Yeah.
Let you get a closer look at that. Let me get up here past the crickets. I'm in a horror film.
It's gonna get you, man. Eat your eyeballs.
There's some more of that bumpy stuff from that other cave. Not quite as predominant.
Yeah. It's called rock coral, or also known as, or not, cave coral, excuse me, and cave popcorn.
Yeah, those kind of resemble a popcorn ceiling.
Yeah, those other ones though, and the other one were, some of them grew pretty large.
Oh my God.
It's voices from Kenny's crack. Hey, you got a cricket on your ass.
I got a what?
You got a cricket on your ass.
Oh, get it off my ass. Do I really have a cricket on my ass?
Yep.
Dude, you have got to see this formation. Well, I know some people might think this would be a good little hideout, but wait till it rains.
Yeah.
Well, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was.
Oh, look at that one behind you.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Oh my God, dude, it keeps going. But I can't fit through that. You see? Hey, it keeps going.
Yeah.
I mean, can you see that?
Okay. Hold on.
I don't know how well you can see down there. Dude, that just keeps going.
It gets tight, boy.
Yeah, just to give you an idea. I don't think we're going to fit through there.
We need a jockey.
Yeah.
Or a dwarf. Angle it all direction. So let's see.
All right, let's see what it looks like over there. Well,
I don't know if that's it. It's got to be.
yeah, it don't go in too far. I might be able to stick my body in there, but yeah.
Right.
Okay. Well, cool. Found another cave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be a good little hideout shelter to be able to hide some moonshine in.
Definitely. I'm gonna bust the UV out. See what
Yeah, go for it.
anything glows up in here.
All right, well, guys, y'all ready to go dark? Let's see how dark it is in here. I'd like to say that's pretty dark, and that's even with that light on down there.
Yeah.
All right, done with the UV. Let's see if I can go back through here without getting another cricket on my backside. I mean, I always thought I had a nice ass, but I didn't know crickets would want to come after it.
They like small holes.
Yeah, small, dark, stanky holes, huh? No.
Be careful.
All right, get me out of this cave. Feel like I'm in a Stephen King film here. Come on.
Attack of the cave crickets.
Yeah, get this. We can go walking through haunted places like that, like the abandoned reformatory and some other places that we've been to. But yeah, you want to freak me out? Get a cricket on my ass.
Attack of the cave cricket. They go for the bunghole.
Wait, you just reminded me of, what was the name of that movie that you just, the whole reason you bought it was the name of it. What was it?
Donkey Punch.
Donkey Punch. Yeah, it actually turned out to be a halfway decent film, but
Yeah.
Donkey Punch. Come on. Yeah, we were talking about that earlier because we were discussing if we want to watch that new Winnie the Pooh horror film.
Yeah.
And
Blood and honey.
yeah, just not too sure about that. Yeah. I mean, we'll probably watch it just because it'll probably be a great B movie, but
Oh yeah. It screams B movie.
but that's like one of my favorites of all time. I've told you that before, is Evil Dead
Yeah.
with Bruce Campbell.
Yeah.
And I love the one Evil Dead Army of Darkness,
Yeah.
where he goes back in time, and it's hilarious. Yeah, you know, your whole little thing talking about a lot of water just gushed through this place.
Yeah.
If that does not prove your theory, this right here, I don't know what would.
Oh yeah. This was covered in ocean. And then I believe as the ocean started to recede, the waters pretty much started flowing down the hill and create all those dry creek looking areas.
Yeah. See, he knows a hell of a lot more about that stuff than I do.
I'm still learning plenty.
I'm more of the I'm more of the history nut kind of thing. I could pretty much tell you what year things were made.
I'm an amateur at everything learning,
No,
but it's fun learning.
but that's what's great. I'm a professional bullshitter. All right, I guess now we got to see if we can climb out of this damn thing. It don't look very far, does it? Hey, on camera it looks like heaven.
Yeah. It's picking up different on yours than mine.
Hello, Lord. It's a hell of a trek up there, isn't it, dude?
Tricky.
Tricky and tight, no footing, and pretty much a straight down drop once you get past where you are.
Pretty much.
The moment of freedom. Man, the things people do to be able to get in this country. I mean, yeah, crawling through tunnels. Yeah. All right. That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. On to the next one. Da-da-da. We're leaving the hole. Yeah. Good written, you little fucker. Oh, I'm sorry. Beep. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was a little late on the beep there. Let's go see what this thing looks like. It goes down even further. It goes in about 5 feet and then it drops. All right, well, saw me trying to go in there, but we've already showed y'all these in our old videos. That's the little double cave here. That's the other little hole over there that we've been in.